Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch scenes with buttons on a microbit. Okay, so I got my scenic walk project up here. And when I press the green flag, this is the code that switches all the backdrops, and it runs all this code for each one of the different backdrops in the story. Now, instead of making this so it automatically goes through them all, I can make it so that it won't switch to the next scene until I press a button on the microbit. So what I'm going to do is say, wait until either a specific button or any button is pressed using the microbit. So if I put it on any, I can press A or B. So now let's see what this actually looks like when I run this. Okay, so we press the green flag. Starts with the very first part of the scene. And then it's going to stop right before switching to the next one. And then all I have to do is go and press a button like now. And then it switches to the next scene. So then it does this scene, and then when it gets to the end of the scene, Scratch Cat should be on the right side, and then I press another button, could be the A button this time, and then it'll switch to the next scene. So once it gets there, okay, so it's waiting, and then press. Now it switches to the next one. All right, now a second option that we could do is we could have actually used this, and we could have said like, hey, maybe when I press the A button, maybe you can go to the previous backdrop using this one. Maybe use the and wait version of this. And I could say when I press the B button, maybe it should go to the next backdrop. So those are a couple of different ways that you can actually switch the scenes using a microbit. So that way you can control how fast the story goes in between each one of the scenes. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.